In today's video, I would like to highlight the Code Spell Checker VS extension, as well as the Rewrap VS Code extension. So first off, the Code Spell Checker is a fully featured spell checker that'll help validate misspellings in your code. It does a really good job of detecting words that are using camel case or underscores and so forth. And so just to kind of show you what this looks like, I come into shortlinks.ex, and let's say I have a little typo here in shortlink, and I'll add an extra T. You can notice that it'll underline the short instead of the entire short link. And then what happens is you put your cursor inside of it, and you hold down Command period, and then that'll give you a suggestion list, so you can choose whatever you want to replace it with. You can even add it to a user dictionary or a workspace dictionary. And so if you choose workspace dictionary, what'll happen is it'll create a file inside of .vs code, and it'll add that term to the dictionary list, and so it won't be listed as a misspelled word in the future. So the second extension is Rewrap, and that comes into play when you have a very long line. So here we've got a @doc with some particularly long lines of documentation. And one thing you can do is you can just highlight this chunk of code and then do a Command Shift P and then type in wrap or rewrap. And then you can choose to wrap the text, or you can unwrap. And then if you don't enter a number, it'll basically unwrap it. This is particularly helpful for making sure that your really long pieces of code are readable within a GitHub PR diff.